two blushes. See guys? So let's unbox it. Let's open it. So you can see it again that it has two pets and two feeding bowl and two bones and two brushes and one Barbie doll and her bag. And this is the sign where you can put the pets. So let's do the Barbie first. Okay. Here's the Barbie doll. Okay, so let's get it. Here it is. She has a very nice dress and a short hair. I mean a long hair and her glasses. See? And the shoes are so pretty, see? Okay, so let's get the pets. Here's the first pet and she's white. Look at her, she's so cute. Let's get the other pet. This one is grey. Both pets are so cute, see? Now let's open the bag. See the bag? Let's put it with Barbie. Now let's get this and let's see what's inside. Here's the first powering tray. I mean feeding tray. Let's keep it right here. Here's the second feeding tray. Okay, spoon is not getting out. Come on. Okay, here's the first bone. Now the second bowl is... Oh, and look, it has bows. See? Here's the second bowl. Oh. Now let's get the brushes. Here are the brushes. There are two brushes. Now as you can see, there's a Barbie doll. So next, Barbie, that's good. Oh, let's get the pets in it. So, oh, it's just falling down. Okay. Okay. So, here's the set. So here's the set. Here's a Barbie and her pets and the brushes, and also I have 3 more Barbie sets. So let's see. Has it got with this baggage? Here's the Barbie that I got. I just unboxed it. Oh, it says style your way. So let's see how much money. Here's this one. Oh, a hairband is falling down. See. And the second one. And the third one. Third one's hair is not good. See? It's not good really. So, here are all the Barbie and the accessories. Ooh. The artificial hair color. Let's keep it right here. And the other one, the plastic is gone, so I just did it. Here's the brush. And here are the clips. Here's a heart thing. Here's a heart thing. I don't know what is it. Here's a mirror. I forgot it. Mirror. Sorry. Here's a hair dryer. And here are 2 hair bands. Here's a black one and a purple one. Here are all the Barbie dolls and the accessories. You can see this is so good. I like it a lot.